Hi, how are you all? So, guess what today's video is all about? Well, you must have read the title already. So, we have these many parcels from Mintra. So, in today's video, we are going to see must have tops from Mintra, will be under 500 rupees. So, without further ado, let's get started. So, first we have this alternate top. This is the front view, this is the back view, and I got this top in extra small size. It fits me perfectly for rupees 323. This is from a very known brand Roadster, जिसकी quality is top notch, and this is very versatile and very appropriate for summers. So yes, you can go for it. So now let's see 3 ways in that you can style this top. These all 3 way you can style this top and look so gorgeous. So let's move to our next top, which is this top. And like, look at this, I feel so confident in this top. The ruffles all over. So this is the front view, you can see the fabric is so nice, and this is the back view. I got this top in extra small size for rupees 420 rupees, and this is perfect top for your summer collection. So go and check it out. And now let's see what all ways we can style this top. So do let me know which one is your favorite. So the next top is I mean, wow. Can you see this top? This is so flattering, and this is the must buy from this haul because the quality is just fabulous. So I bought it in extra small size, but if you fit to extra small size, this can be a little tight for you, so go for one size up. The price for this is 545. This is from a brand called Stylecast X Revolt, and this brand is very, I mean, I am seeing this brand on Myntra quite often times nowadays. So I really like this top. This is the front view and this is the back view. Perfect. So let's see how can we style this top. So this top was a perfect example of basic with elegance. Let's move to our next piece. This top is for those days when you want to look a little extra. So this is the front view. Oh my god, so pretty. And this is the back view. So I got this in size extra small for rupees 323. This is again from a brand Stylecast, and I just love it. Let's see how we can style this top. Let's quickly move to our next top. Next we have, I need to figure out कि इसको पहनना कैसे है, because I can't see any sleeve or something, as you can see. So let me just figure out and I'll get back to you. So I just figured it out, and इसको just ऐसे बांध लेना था neck के around. So this is how this looks. I mean, it looks nice, and but not my style. So this is the front view, as you can see, and this is the back view. No doubt the back is very nice. So I got this in size extra small for rupees 275. Yes, this is the lowest price in this haul. Now let's see how we can style this. No doubt this is very pretty top. So let me know in the comment section how do you like it. Let's move ahead with our next top. Perfect for those days when you don't want to put so much effort. Just put this top and jeans, you're good to go. So this is the front view. I mean, effortless elegance. And this is back view. Now again, this top is also in extra small size for rupees 503. Again from a brand Stylecast. I mean, I'm loving this brand, by the way. Now let's see how we can style this in different ways. I can't believe we just reached to our last piece of this haul. Without wasting any time, let's just move ahead. Here comes our formal yet stylish top. This gives proper blazer vibe. So again, this is size extra small. So I got this for rupees 577. This is from a brand I have never heard the name. Her by Investus. I kind of like it, and this is the front view, very elegant, very classy. And this is the back situation. There is this tie giving up so that you can create this snatched look at the waist. Love it, love it. So let's see how we can style this. So that was it for this video. Do let me know आपको मेरे चैनल पे ऐसी शॉर्ट वीडियो देखनी है और would you like to watch previous वाला full length proper detail में videos or this one, which one would you prefer? And I really loved all the tops from this haul, and I guarantee you each top is of top notch quality. So yes, that was it for this video. I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye and take care.